You know what? I actually realized I never told you how much I pay for rent. And in fact, I never showed you my apartment. And I'm not gonna be here for much longer. In fact, I'm gonna leave in the next few days. So, it's either now or never. Okay? Now, I'm gonna do a proper video tour of the building and of the apartment. Um, I'm gonna probably record it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, but it's gonna be up sometime in the future. Probably next week. I don't know. Maybe this week, but we'll see. Anyways, by the way, I have the fan, not the fan, the AC on, and in yesterday's video, I said that I'm gonna turn it off because it might interfere with what I'm talking. It might bother you. Let me know if you can actually hear it because I think you cannot, or at least if you can, I don't think it's a bothering sound. But anyways, in this video I'm gonna tell you how much I pay for rent, and it's $202 per month. Okay, and that is 7,000 baht. 7,000 baht per month. That's how much I pay for rent, and it's a one-room apartment or one-bedroom apartment. The thing is, it doesn't have a kitchen, so I don't know if you can call it a one-bedroom apartment in English or not. Maybe you would call it differently, but it has its own bathroom. It's 35 square meters. It has also a balcony. So, yeah, I don't know. I call it a one-bedroom apartment or a studio apartment. So let me know if you call it differently as well. And again, I have some proof for you. Okay, so this is... Let me show you this. This is from... Okay, let me show you this one first, in fact. So you can see paid 7,000 baht. This one is called room rent, right? You see it up here, hopefully. If not, I tell you. So I paid, when I moved in, I paid 7,000 baht for rent for the first month. Then I paid a deposit of another 7,000 baht, and this is, this is standard here. I think this is pretty standard everywhere, to be honest. Oh man, the AC. But yeah, 7,000 baht for the rent, and another 7,000 baht as a deposit, which represented one month of rent as well, which I hopefully get back. I will get back at the end. And I also paid 500 baht for the key. So a total of, maybe you can see here. Let me show you. Total of 14,500 baht. So I paid, what's that? $420 at the beginning just to move in. Okay, so yeah, half of that was the deposit. About half of it was the deposit, and $15 was the key card, which I found out that actually that 500 baht for the key card you don't get back. And why? It's because they are charging a cleaning fee that costs 500 baht after you move out. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so but the thing is, I am paying 7,000 baht a month. I that comes out to be $202 per month. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think? Is this much? Is this Is this little? Is this a lot? What do you think? I know that there is some guys living in the Philippines and my good friend on YouTube living in China who I think will give us even better numbers for what they pay in rent or for what you can find in China or in Philippines. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, yeah, I'm gonna show you this one has been for sorry, for the second month. Nah, actually, yeah, it's been for the second month, but this is like some personal information over here. So I'm gonna show it to you like this. As you can see, from 17th of November, because I moved in to this place 17th of October, 17th of November, I don't know if you can see it, and I paid just 7,000 baht, $202. So obviously I didn't need to pay any deposit for the second month, and I didn't need to pay any key for the second month either. Oh, by the way, talking about the key, I need to let you know, or to tell you something rather, that is really important, and that is, if you lose your key, and I don't have it with me, it's actually a tag, which looks like a credit card. So if you lose it or you forget it into the room and it's past 5 p.m., you in fact will have to pay a fee, right? If you call the manager, they will send someone and they will open the door for you, but you will have to pay 300 baht if it's after 5 p.m. So I think that's important to know, because I know it's not just in this place, it's in other places as well. So so yeah, that's that. And so don't lose your key, don't lose your card. I actually did 2 times, and I did not know that I had to pay, and so kind of they forgive me, but yeah, you basically have to pay. So if you do forget your card, then make sure you forget it before 5 p.m. But anyways, this is this. And by the way, so many people have asked for addresses and stuff like that. If you want to know the address of the place I'm at, where I live, obviously I do know the address, so I can help you out with that. So comment in the section down below that you want to know the address, and I will let you know. Okay, I will let you know. Also, maybe you can take a guess on... Actually, no, I'm not gonna say this in this video. But this is it, basically what I wanted to cover in this video and tell you how much I pay. And as I said, a video with the apartment or with even like the whole building tour is going to come up, hopefully. Okay, I'm really busy these days. As I said, I'm gonna move out, but I'll do whatever I can to make the time and give you guys a tour of the whole building and of the apartment as well. So what do you say? Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned and wait for it, because most probably is going to come. So that's all I had to say in this video. That's all I wanted to share with you. See you in the next video.